This is your reading for today. Your cards are Six of Swords and the Hanged Man. On some days, when I'm trying to do a reading and I turn the cards over, I have to wait for some time for the messages to come. But today, as soon as I turn the cards over, it's like the messages started coming one by one. It is time for you to leave everything in the hands of the divine and keep moving forward. There could be a feeling of guilt, of shame, of not being able to show your face to others because you think that you have done something which is terrible, which is highly irresponsible, and you may also be feeling a little challenged that how am I going to answer the questions that are coming towards me, and these are also questions that I don't know, that I'm not aware of. Um, will I be able to do it? And there is an element of sadness. But what you are being asked to do today is to change the perspective. Hmm? The perspective that you are being asked to change is, instead of thinking that my moving ahead means leaving behind and that is making me sad, and I am carrying the burden or the consequences of my action. The perspective that you need to change is, instead of I am leaving behind, think and say I am moving towards, because that is what is happening. Okay, you may be feeling too much that everything is your doing and everything is something that you have done, but you also have to understand that in the circumstances that were created for you, you had no choice but to take this decision. And the universe does not see morality. Hmm? The universe sees the truth, the honesty, the integrity, and the action that one takes based on truth, honesty, courage, integrity. Okay, the thought in your mind, am I doing it for my highest good with harm to no one? Am I doing it without attachment to outcomes? Am I doing it without trying to manipulate situations in my favor? But that I am doing it because I was put in this situation and this was my truth and that is why I'm doing it. So the morality or the guilt factor is not what the universe considers. It is all these things I was talking about. Surrender it to the universe. You are walking through a gateway of new beginnings, and the stability will be visible to you. Trust yourself.